Nutrition in living organisms, animals and males. Now try to understand autotrophs and heterotrophs. This thing you have seen in chapter 1st of this class. Three main steps in animal nutrition. Three main steps: food requirement, food habit, mode of intake of food, utilization in the body. Modes of intake of food. Here you are seeing figure: sparrow, hummingbird, cow, snake. Food habits of animals. According to food habits, herbivorous, it means they eat only plant materials. Carnivorous, they eat only other animals. And omnivorous, both eat both animals and plant materials. Modes of nutrition: saprotrophic, parasitic, holozoic. Try to understand all these three things. Saprotrophic. What is the meaning of saprotrophic? The mode of nutrition in which an organism obtains its nutrients from dead and decaying plant and matter, animal matter, is known as saprotrophic. Such an organism secretes enzyme outside, digests the organic food and absorbs the soluble organic compound. Most fungi and some bacteria are saprotrophs. Now parasitic. The mode of nutrition in which an organism obtains food from some other living organism of different groups, known as parasitic nutrition. Roundworms, head louse, body louse and tapeworm are parasites. Holozoic nutrition. This is mode of nutrition in which organisms like amoeba and human beings eat food that may be in solid or in liquid state. This food is taken into the body and then it is broken down to provide the required nutrients of the body. Nutrition in human. Ingestion. The act of getting and eating food is called ingestion. Digestion, you know. The process of breakdown of complex molecules into simple soluble ones is called digestion. You are knowing too much about digestion. Absorption, you know. Assimilation. The absorbed food is utilized by the body for growth and formation of body parts. This process is known as assimilation. Egestion. The elimination of undigested food from the alimentary canal is known as the egestion. The alimentary canal is made up of the following parts: buccal cavity, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. You may have drawn the several times food pipe. Here there is. You may know about food pipe. Food pipe, food chain. Here food web chart. You have drawn in class 4 this thing. Here you given mouth, food pipe, after that stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. Recall this thing. You have studied all these things in class 4, where there you have studied about digestive system. Digestive system, the alimentary canal along with these associated glands from the overall digestive system. Now mouth and buccal cavity. Here a view of buccal cavity. You are seeing different types of teeth. Incisors are used for cutting of food. Canines are used for tearing of food. Premolars are used for grinding of food. Molars are also used for grinding of food. Okay. Tongue, you know about tongue. Taste buds of tongue. Tongue is a busy organ. Try to understand here about tongue. The tongue serves as an organ of taste with taste buds scattered over its surface. During chewing, the tongue holds the food against the teeth. In swallowing, it moves the food back into the buccal cavity and then into the esophagus. Food pipe, you are knowing about food pipe also. Epiglottis is a flap-like structure present at the top of the windpipe. It closes the windpipe when we swallow food and prevents the food from entering our lungs. Stomach, you are knowing about it. A stomach with a hole, you have to read this thing. The small intestine secretion from liver, secretion from pancreas, secretion from the small intestine. Here absorption of digested food in a small intestine. Assimilation, you know, the large intestine where their water is. Nutrition in cud chewing herbivores. Ruminants, rumen, digestive system of a cow. Here esophagus, rumen, omasum, abomasum, reticulum, cecum, small intestine, large intestine. Nutrition in amoeba. Here nutrition in amoeba, you may observe this thing: nucleus, food particles, pseudopodia, food vehicle, food, and division. And there will be division. Now egestion. The undigested food present in the food vehicle is expelled from the amoeba by the process of egestion. Here two keywords also given. Chapter 2, you know, this is of biology. Try to write. If any problem, directly contact me. I will give answer of all questions. I have kept all proofs. Okay, try to understand. In case don't worry, be happy. Always try to read, and then you are able to understand all the things. Question answer also I have written. Try to write. Although I have sent you, but anyone who has not written, they have to write. Okay, don't misguide. Okay, this is all about in this chapter. Thank you.